It's one of the subfields of electrical engineering. It's actually concerned with design of devices that measure physical quantities such as pressure, flow, and temperature. And when you talk about the instrumentation, it is very significant. Particularly, you can see the image we are having here is that of an airplane on air. And when you are designing an aircraft or an airplane, you need to be very accurate with measurement. Whether you're measuring the pressure, the temperature, the altitude, the direction, all those. So what you're saying that instrumentation engineering is concerned with the design of devices that are concerned with measuring. So you measure so many things. You measure temperature, you measure voltage, you measure any quantity in engineering requires to be measured. And we are saying that part of engineering that is concerned with measuring instruments or measuring quantities is called instrumentation engineering. So we are always concerned about sensors and among others. So that is the branch of electrical engineering that is concerned with that. The other branch of electrical engineering is computer engineering, deals with the design of computers and computer systems. So it is a sub-branch of electrical engineering. Initially it was just called electrical engineering, but as computers became part of everyday life, another branch of engineering was born, that of designing computers and computer systems. So the likes of Apple, Huawei, Techno that are concerned with building phones and computers and tablets, they are definitely engineers who are specialized in development of computers and computer systems. So again, there are two sub-branches of which you might find under computer engineering, that is software engineering and hardware engineering. So computer engineering, software engineers is where you are now concerned with software systems, what programs run, how to give instructions to the devices, etc. That is software engineering. It is more concerned with the instructions that run in computers, whereas now the hardware engineering is the one that you are dealing with physical components or the hard components like electronics part of the computers. I think we have talked about mechatronics engineering. We don't necessarily need to go back there, and we have seen how mechatronics fit in electrical engineering, and we said it is as a multidiscipline career or field that combines electrical and mechanical engineering. So some discussion is made here. Biomedical engineering is also discussed. An electronic engineer, but we are dealing mostly with medical equipment such as ventilators, MRI, scanners, electrocardiograph monitors, among others. And you can also have a career in education, whereby you are teaching, and you are in teaching. You need to understand the different aspects of engineering, like I'm doing now. So you're going to be concerned with the measuring instruments like digital meters. This is something we always find in our labs. This is called oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is everywhere in your engineering degree, particularly electrical engineering and telecommunication. So it is used for measuring signals, and you will be using it mostly in your labs. Field of education, you're going to be concerned with how different signals can be measured, how you can measure voltage, how you can measure all the concepts that are going to be, you're going to be learning all the concepts that we have said before you become either of them, and therefore you need to have a good understanding of those ones. And that is what engineering education deals with. And the last thing that we want to talk about is professional practice. And I think I also mentioned that without really repeating so much about the professional practice. We said that for you to practice as an engineer, you needed to have graduated with an engineering degree, and then you need to practice under another engineer who is certified, so that you can get the exposure. And I remember the word that I was looking for at that time is called pupillage. You can Google for this word. What it means is that an engineer working under another engineer. Engineer is being trained by another engineer. This is what is called pupillage. That is what entails engineering practice.